In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DeepL for translations in 2025. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type DeepL and press Enter. You should see the official DeepL website near the top of the results. Click the translator link that points to DeepL.com. This ensures you're using the official tool, which is important for accuracy, security, and the most up-to-date features. Once you're on the DeepL translator page, you'll notice two main panels. The box on the left is where you enter your text, and the box on the right shows the translation. DeepL can handle a wide range of languages, and it usually detects the source language automatically. For this walkthrough, we'll translate from Japanese to English. If you don't already have a Japanese sentence handy, you can quickly generate one with a language model like ChatGPT, or pull a short example from a trusted source you're studying. Copy that Japanese text when you've got it. On most computers, that's as simple as selecting the text and pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Go back to the DeepL tab and paste the sentence into the left-hand box using Ctrl+V or Command+V. DeepL should immediately recognize the language as Japanese. If it doesn't, you can manually set the left side to Japanese. Now choose your target language on the right. Select English from the drop-down list. As soon as you pick English, the translation will appear automatically. You can read it in full on the right panel, and if you want to switch direction later, there's a swap option that flips the languages instantly. One of the most helpful features for learning is the word-level exploration. Click any specific word in the translated text, then scroll down to see the dictionary section. Here, DeepL provides meanings, alternative translations, and usage notes. You can often listen to the proper pronunciation, which is great for building listening skills. If DeepL suggests alternatives for a particular word or phrase, selecting one will update the translation in context, helping you fine-tune tone or nuance without rewriting the entire sentence. That's the core workflow. Search for DeepL, open the translator, paste your source text, choose your target language, and explore the dictionary to deepen understanding. A quick tip as you practice: avoid pasting private or sensitive information into online tools. Keep a small bank of sample sentences you can reuse, and take a moment to compare the default translation with the alternatives to learn how word choice affects meaning. Thanks for watching, and happy translating.